guys, so I'm back. I'm back at the plant store on my property. So I just showed you guys me yanking out a bunch of coneflower in that area. In this area, I have a bunch of catmint. So I'm gonna go ahead and yank up as much as I can, practically all of them, and transfer them to that Crape Myrtle bed in the front. Oh, by the way, check out this beautiful rose. Look at that. So right here, prior to me transplanting all of this catmint to the front bed, I'm doing some extensive weeding. I'm trying to totally get rid of the infestation of Oriental lady's thumb, which is a species of Persicaria, and mulberry weed. They're both very hard to totally remove from the garden. You just have to stay on top of it by weeding and heavy mulching. And I'm going to use some preen. I'm going to put a preen application on top of the mulch layer, you know, probably early spring or probably now. Cart's gonna be loaded, loaded with catmint. Let's just take this catmint up front and finally plant it. Ooh-wee. Of course, there's some weeds over here. We want to try to get those up. Because check this out, guys. I also wanted to put some Hamlin grass over here. So there's so much I want to do. So we'll clear some of this mulch away. I'm going to squeeze in 3 over here. They get to be roughly 12 to 15 inches tall and probably twice as wide. So I have to keep that in mind. These Coreopsis, they get to be about 18 inches. Let me read the tag real quick. So Coreopsis moonbeam, threadleaf Coreopsis, habit mounding. Yep, like I thought, 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. So they'll all be around the same height. These are all pretty sad. So I'll have to buy some more come spring. Or perhaps I can run through some nurseries and see if I can get any sales. Of course, at the nurseries, they like to prune, they like to totally cut these down around this time of year. So at least now, at least with this, you're getting some green